In fact, you're still seeing some storms out there right now. We have a flood advisory for a big chunk of the Treasure Coast, and you're still seeing some heavy rain right now, but starting to taper off now. This was a solid line before. Notice it's kind of breaking up right now. Still over Okeechobee, though, some heavy rainfall, and farther to the east into St. Lucie County, the northwestern corner picking up the heaviest rain, but things starting to taper off now from Fort Pierce down to Port St. Lucie. Still in Vero Beach, though, picking up that heavy rainfall there from Vero down to Florida Ridge and Lakewood Park. Still a lot of lightning strikes, too, and some heavy rainfall that stretches back to I-95 there. Here's a closer look, and pretty much Vero southward, picking up that heavy rain from the mall now southward, but starting to move over the mall at the moment to the Indian River Mall there. Look at the flood advisories till 7:15. It's all this whole green area. There's 3 of them under here, so pretty wide expanse of flood advisory. Be careful of flooded streets out there. Could get you into trouble, and you could mistake one for a canal too, and then you go right into the canal. Palm Beach County, things have quieted down significantly. We had the big thunderstorms that flared up earlier. Now just some light to moderate rain and an occasional lightning strike. Still not out of the question here. Temperatures have cooled down because of that, and we're in the 70s where we've seen the rain, but we didn't see much rain in Boca, and it's still 86 degrees. So temperatures tonight, they may even actually warm up before sunset since we're starting to wind things down, but ultimately overnight we'll be in the mid to upper 70s to near 80 degrees. Highs tomorrow back in the low to mid 90s. Heat index 105 plus out there. There's not a heat advisory right now, but that doesn't mean they can't issue one in the morning hours. It's just kind of a race to when the storms start and how hot we're going to get before the storms start. So just after sunset, our storms clear on out. We clear out in the morning, a lot of sunshine. Then thunderstorm action flares up just after lunchtime here. Becomes a little bit more numerous as we get towards the afternoon, maybe more of a southwesterly flow or a westerly flow that pushes it back towards the coastline on the Treasure Coast. And then as we get into Wednesday, Thursday, we tone down rain chances a little bit, but still pretty good chance. We'll bump it up slightly there for Friday and Saturday. All right, in the tropics here, a couple of areas we're watching. However, neither of these we have to worry about. Even the big red one here, it has a high chance to develop, but it's just going to move into North Atlantic. This yellow one has a low chance, and it's losing its chances. It's going to start to move over cooler waters very quickly, even by tonight, so that'll be gone by tomorrow. It's still a low pressure system, but it's not going to develop tropically. Beach and boating forecast looking okay. Just be aware of those thunderstorms that may push off the coastline. Pretty healthy rain chances all the way through the week, really. Highs will be in the low 90s. It'll be hot and humid out there. Heat indices 105 plus, and we'll get those thunderstorms to help cool us off a little bit in the afternoons.